Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore an amazing topic of Photoshop HDR toning for travel photos. Open your favorite travel image to enhance the atmosphere using HDR toning and convert it to a smart object for flexible control. Open the HDR toning menu to start improving dynamic range, increase strength to emphasize scenery details, and also adjust details for sharp and vivid elements, lower highlights to bring back sky textures, boost shadows to uncover hidden architecture, adjust gamma to maintain natural tone, and also add vibrance for lively colors, reduce saturation to avoid exaggeration, modify exposure to maintain balance, mask